5, 6, 7, 8. What is this? What is it? Shane, go in there. Yeah, go. Yeah, that's good. That's good. You show the babies it's good to go in there. It's good to go in there. White boy's the first one in the adventure box. Babies, come over here. Babies. Come on over here. Come on, look at this adventure box. White line boy. Come on over here. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. He goes to the scariest thing. Hello. Don't bite me. Go in the adventure box. Come on. Yellow. Little boy. Come on, kiddos. Here, don't do that to him. Here, go play in this. Well, somebody's in there. Go on. Yeah. He's like, doesn't bother me. Here, go play with this. Babies, come here. Look at Ida. Come over here. Babies. Come on, get these. Yeah. I bet you could bite that. Here, I bet you could bite that now. Here, yeah. Get a hold of that. Oh, dang it, Shine. Here. Oh, he's got it. She's got it. She's got that one. Oh, look at Babies, come here. B-boy, Queen. Come on, everybody's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. Yellow. Come on, yellow. Come here. Wow, he's liking it. Look at Blue Boy. Wow, this is pretty cool, isn't it? It's pretty cool. You get that thing. You bite it. Yellow. Come here, baby. Yellow. Ouch. Come here, baby. Come here. Little yellow. You're not going to sit this one out, baby. Ow! Look at that. She goes, not today. Look. Yellow. Come on, baby. Come on, there's a girl. Oh, Shine. Yellow. Come here. Yellow. Ouch. Here, go play in there. No. In here. Nobody's at the door. What should we do?